This is David Gerard, and I'm at the Harvard Shoe Service for a 3-minute interview with Sanglee, the owner and shoe cobbler. Tulsa World beat me here. They came last November. All right, this is Sanglee. He's been here since 1987, right?
Yes, sir.
And my grandfather was a shoe repairman, and so was my father. And my grandfather was Ukrainian and learned from a Polish shoemaker, but you don't appear to be either of those nationalities. Where are you from?
Yeah, South Korea.
You're from South Korea. How long have you been in the United States?
It's 38 years. Yes.
Oh, wonderful. And you learned shoe repair from?
Yeah, it's American Indian learning, and then it's an old owner. Yeah, it's learning, and then few shoemen is with.
That helped you out
Yeah.
to learn.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
How long did it take to learn this, learn the business, how to fix shoes?
Yeah, a couple months.
Really, you're a quick learner.
Yeah. This one is the new sole. That is the old one is like that. But I picked this new sole. This one.
Do you have children?
Yeah.
Do you have any children? Do they like shoe repair?
No. No. Yeah.
My dad had three boys, and none of us ended up being shoe repairmen.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
This one is a new sole.
New sole?
Yeah, old one is a leather sole, but yeah, with.
You put the composition. You took the leather off.
Yeah. Hidden one is leather. We change this rubber. This customer is the same rubber.
How much does a set of soles and heels cost now?
It's usually 80 bucks, but when I damage it a lot, it's a little higher. It's 85, 90.
I think.
Yeah.
Say in 1970, it was about $20 or $30.
Yeah, I know. We first time, I don't remember. It's definitely 45 or something like that.
When you started?
Yeah, 1987, maybe 45 or something. Yeah.
Now my dad used to complain people would come in with belts and dog collars and tarps to sew and stuff like that. Do you get things like that too?
Yeah, leather, usually leather, rubber, log sole.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
And this is Mrs. Lee. This is Mr. Lee's boss. Do you have a lot of shoes left over? I mean, people sometimes bring them and then don't pick them up.
Oh yeah, we long time ago we several boxes donation give to the church.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
You ever get anybody from the bar come over here?
Yeah, we don't know. It's a bar. Yeah, sometimes maybe it's a customer coming. Yeah.
I remember my dad, there were 2 bars near him where his shop was. And every now and then there'd be a fight in the bar or something, and one of the guys would end up over in the shoe store coming over.
Yeah, sometimes customer leave, please shine. It's how long? It's a couple hours. Okay, I go back to the store. Yeah.
Well, I appreciate you letting me do this.